Ular ka jila Meghalaya u Chandrasekhar H. Vijayashankar mentaka siu la Pynsmai u Justice Soumen Sen kum Chief Justice ka High Court Meghalaya Haraj Bahvan Shillong. Ha ka jingya dan lang u Menteri Rangba ka jila u Konrad K. Sangma u sembut Menteri Rangba ka jila u Bak Prestun Tinsong noya lam ka yang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma. Ha ka diga singi laya dan lang ruki officer na ka sorkar jila ba kumju ruki officer na ka yung bisharjo ka High Court Meghalaya banyasak hilang ya kani ka singi Pynsmai u Justice Soumen Sen kum unong bishar barang ba. Syaban syatung kum Chief Justice ka High Court Meghalaya hakini arpus nem ki balalej ulalong umuktiar barang ba ka sorkar preng latung kum unong bishar ka Kolkata High Court House nam 8,000 khatway balatung manlong Chief Justice jang ka High Court ka jila Meghalaya haka arpundu tarik 8,000 arpusan balashim ya ka jing smai menta ka singi Haraj Bahvan Shillong.
I, Soumen Sen, having been appointed as Chief Justice of the High Court of Meghalaya, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment, perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will, and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.